couple of weeks ago, WavyTalk reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to review their Barrett IPL hair removal, and I said, yeah girl, send it over. Bye-bye hair in 20 uses. This package includes an IPL hair removal device, a power adapter, user manual, a razor, and safety glasses. I've used an IPL at-home hair removal before. It does work if you are consistent with it. So that's where your success is gonna lie. Here is our hair remover system. It came beautifully packaged, obviously. This is where the laser is, your button, fan. This will be your screen to navigate what you're doing with it. You get a 1-year extended warranty, a quick guide, and then here is a more in-depth user manual. One thing to know about IPL laser, it is not suited for all skin types and all hair tones. They do have a little guide in here. They also have a little bit of a science disclaimer on how it works. Next box. The razor and the safety goggles comes with a nice little dust bag. Major props to them for actually sending a nice razor with 5 blades and a good handle. This is something I'm actually going to use instead of throwing it in the trash. Most of these products will only send you a very crappy disposable razor. Wow, these are very 2000s millennial. Oh, and everything is green in the Emerald City. I think this is just going to be the AC adapter for turning it on. Power. We're going to cycle through modes. There are different modes on here for your body, your bikini area, and your face. You can change the level you're working with by pressing the power button. Hold down this trigger button for 2 seconds to put it in auto mode. We'll just continually zap as you move along your skin, whereas if you don't have it in auto mode, then you'll need to press this button each time you're ready to zap. Notice this little snowflake right here means that this section will be cool to the touch, and this just helps with comfort level as you use it. You need to shave your hair first. You don't want to have any long hairs. You want to make sure to avoid any tattoos. Your skin should be clean and dry. You're gonna hold it at a 90-degree angle to the skin like this and just move along. And like I said, you can either have it on auto mode or you can click it, move over an inch, click it, move over an inch. This does feel really cool. I feel like I just put an ice cube up to my skin, so I'm not worried about comfort at all. Let's test it out on my arm. Goggle up, back in the matrix, power on, body mode. Let's start with level 3 because I feel like that's a good medium. See how it's just doing it? I don't have to press the trigger at all. When you press the power button to power it down, it has a little countdown. It doesn't turn off immediately. That's really all there is to it. If you use this consistently for a couple of months, I think you will notice a huge difference, but you could potentially start seeing a difference in a couple of weeks. If you are interested in trying out the WavyTalk IPL Barrett hair removal system, I'm gonna have this linked in my Amazon storefront, which is always linked in my bio. Also, if you've used an IPL system at home before, let me know what you thought in the comments. This is for sure a step up from the one that I had previously, so I'm very excited to have this.